Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to a land of exquisite beauty and vibrant culture, a land kissed by the warmth of the equatorial sun and sculpted by the ancient rhythms of the sea, the Philippines. Our destination, 7 islands, each a pearl in this tropical archipelago, each holding unique treasures waiting to be discovered. Prepare to be captivated by breathtaking landscapes, immerse yourselves in the richness of Filipino culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Our adventure begins in Palawan, an emerald jewel set in the turquoise waters of the Sulu Sea. As we soar above, the island unfolds beneath us, a tapestry of vibrant greens and blues. Limestone cliffs, sculpted by millennia of wind and wave, rise dramatically from the sea. These are the iconic landscapes of El Nido and Coron, havens for explorers and those seeking solace. Hidden beneath the sea, a world of unimaginable beauty awaits. Coral reefs, teeming with life, explode in a kaleidoscope of colors. Schools of fish dart amidst the coral, while graceful rays glide through the crystal-clear waters. Turtles navigate these coral gardens, a testament to this underwater paradise. But Palawan's treasures are not limited to its coasts. Venture inland, and you will find lush jungles, home to a remarkable diversity of life. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees, while exotic birds flit through the undergrowth. Here lies the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Embark on a journey into the depths of the earth as you navigate this underground river. Our next stop takes us to Boracay, famed for its powdery white sand beaches and vibrant energy. Here, life slows to match the rhythm of the waves, and days melt away in sun-drenched relaxation. White Beach is a 4-kilometer stretch of paradise, where the sand is as fine as sugar and the water shimmers like jewels. Stroll along its shores, the warm water lapping at your feet, and feel the cares of the world melt away. As the sun sets, Boracay awakens with a contagious energy. Fire dancers twirl and leap, while live music spills out from beachfront bars, inviting you to dance barefoot under the stars. Indulge in the freshest seafood, grilled to perfection, as you soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Boracay is more than just sun and sand. This island is steeped in Filipino culture, a vibrant tapestry of traditions and customs. Venture beyond the beaches to discover hidden gems. Visit the local markets, a riot of colors and aromas, where you can sample exotic fruits and haggle for souvenirs. Immerse yourselves in the warmth of the Filipino people, their smiles as bright as the tropical sun. Our journey continues to Cebu, an island steeped in history and blessed with an abundance of natural wonders. Known as the Queen City of the South, Cebu was a major trading port long before the arrival of the Spanish, and its rich cultural heritage is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and the warmth of its people. Our exploration of Cebu begins in Cebu City, the island's bustling capital. Here, amidst the modern skyscrapers, echoes of the past linger. Visit Fort San Pedro, a 16th-century Spanish fort that once guarded the city's harbor, and step back in time as you explore its ramparts and imagine the lives of the soldiers who once patrolled its walls. In the heart of the city, the Basilica del Santo Niño stands as a testament to Cebu's deep Catholic faith, its ornate interior a treasure trove of religious iconography. But Cebu's treasures extend far beyond its cities. Venture out into the island's interior and you will be rewarded with breathtaking landscapes. Lush mountains, cloaked in emerald forests, rise up from the coast, their slopes dotted with waterfalls cascading down into crystal-clear pools. Hike through these verdant landscapes, the air alive with the sound of birdsong, and cool off with a refreshing dip in the invigorating waters of Kawasan Falls. Bohol, land of chocolate hills and tiny primates. Our next destination takes us to Bohol, an island of captivating contrasts. Here, rolling hills, carpeted in vibrant green rice paddies, meet pristine beaches lapped by turquoise waters, creating a landscape of breathtaking beauty. But Bohol is perhaps most famous for its chocolate hills, a geological wonder that has captivated travelers for centuries. Over 1,200 grass-covered hills rise up from the earth, their conical shapes resembling giant Hershey's kisses scattered across the landscape. But Bohol's treasures are not limited to its geological wonders. This island is also home to one of the world's smallest and most endearing primates, the tarsier. These tiny creatures with their enormous eyes and long spindly fingers are nocturnal, emerging from their slumber as the sun begins to set. Visit the Tarsier Sanctuary, a haven for these fascinating creatures, and marvel at their agility as they leap from branch to branch, their large eyes shining in the fading light. No visit to Bohol would be complete without experiencing the Loboc River cruise. Embark on a leisurely journey down this tranquil waterway, gliding past lush rice paddies and quaint villages. Enjoy a traditional Filipino lunch as you soak up the serene beauty of the river, the air filled with the sound of birdsong and the gentle lapping of water against the boat. Siargao, surfing paradise and island charm. Our journey takes us to Siargao, an island paradise renowned for its world-class surf breaks, laid-back vibe, and unspoiled natural beauty. Here, the pace of life is dictated by the rhythm of the waves, and the days are spent riding the perfect curl or simply soaking up the sun on pristine beaches. Siargao is a haven for surfers of all levels, from seasoned pros chasing that adrenaline-pumping barrel to beginners taking their first tentative steps on a surfboard. But Siargao is much more than just a surfer's paradise. This island is blessed with an abundance of natural wonders, from secluded lagoons with crystal-clear waters to mangrove forests teeming with life. Take a boat trip to Sugba Lagoon, a hidden gem nestled amidst towering limestone cliffs, and dive into its emerald waters. Explore the mystical beauty of Tayangban Cave Pool, its subterranean chamber illuminated by shafts of sunlight filtering through openings in the ceiling. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the island, Siargao comes alive with a contagious energy. Beachfront bars pulse with live music, inviting you to dance barefoot under the stars while enjoying ice-cold drinks and the company of fellow travelers. Camiguin, island born of fire. Our adventure takes us to Camiguin, an island forged by the fiery power of volcanoes, its landscape a testament to the raw forces that shape our planet. Known as the island born of fire, Camiguin is home to 7 volcanoes, their majestic cones rising up from the sea, a constant reminder of the island's volcanic origins. Don't be intimidated though. This is an island teeming with life, its fertile volcanic soil giving rise to lush rainforests and cascading waterfalls. One of Camiguin's most alluring features is its collection of enchanting waterfalls. Hike through the jungle to reach Katibawasan Falls, a towering cascade that plunges into a cool, inviting pool below. Take a refreshing dip in the invigorating waters of Tuasan Falls, hidden away in a secluded jungle setting. For a truly unique experience, visit the ardent hot springs, where volcanic heated water flows into a series of relaxing pools. Camiguin is also home to a unique cultural heritage. Visit the old Bonbon Church ruins, a poignant reminder of the island's volcanic past. The church was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vulcan in the 1870s, leaving behind its haunting skeleton, a testament to the power of nature. For a glimpse into the island's Spanish colonial past, visit the Ginsiliban Watchtower, built to protect the island from pirates. Batanes, where the wind whispers tales of resilience. Our final destination takes us to Batanes, the northernmost island province of the Philippines, a place where the elements have sculpted not just the land, but the very spirit of the people. Here, on the edge of the vast Pacific Ocean, the wind howls with a ferocity known locally as the Kadayat, shaping the landscape into rolling hills, dramatic cliffs, and windswept pastures. The architecture reflects this harsh beauty, with traditional stone houses built to withstand the strongest typhoons. Despite the challenging environment, the Ivatans, the indigenous people of Batanes, have thrived for centuries, their culture deeply intertwined with the land and sea. Experience the warmth of their hospitality as you explore their villages, where life moves at a slower, more deliberate pace. Visit the stone houses of Savidug village, marvel at the intricate craftsmanship of the Sabtang Island lighthouse, and stand in awe of the dramatic cliffs and crashing waves of Valugan Boulder Beach. Batanes is a place of raw, untamed beauty, a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Philippines. Until our next adventure, as our journey through the top 7 islands of the Philippines draws to a close, we hope you've been inspired to experience the magic of this archipelago for yourself. From the pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs to the lush jungles and towering volcanoes, the Philippines offers a wealth of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. But beyond its breathtaking landscapes, it's the warmth of the Filipino people, their rich culture and traditions, that will truly capture your heart. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys to come. Until next time, keep exploring.